Hi, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to change the current for your X-axis on a Orangestorm Giga. Just ignore the error, but this motherboard isn't connected to the printer anymore. Find the IP address that is listed on your printer and type it into Google Chrome on a computer. And what you'll get is this interface, Fluid. Now what you want to do is come down to Config and go across to printer config, CFG, and scroll down to where it says TMC stepper X or X-axis. Where is it? Oh, you want this one here. So originally it'll have TMC 2209 stepper X. You want to go down to this current. You'll notice that this says 1.8. You want to change this to 1.2. I have also changed, in previous builds, I have also changed this to 0.8, 8, based on some calcs I did and some tests, but it's better if you leave that at 1. The holding current's not great at 1 anyway, but yeah, you just have to deal with that, unfortunately. So yeah, that's how you change it. And then you hit save and restart up here. And there you go, problem solved.